Today we're going to be talking about ladders. As with all ladders, whether they be step ladders or normal ladders, you need to do a pre-use check. That pre-use check is really important. In that pre-use check you make sure that the ladder is safe for you to work on. Okay, so we're going to do a simple pre-use check on this step ladder. So we're going to talk about the stiles, the rungs, the locking mechanisms and the feet. Okay, so let's start our pre-use check. We're going to start with the stiles. We've checked them, visually checked them, run a hand across them. They're in good condition, they're not damaged, there's no problem with the rivets that go into them. So the stiles for me look okay. Okay, so we've checked the stiles, we now move on to the rungs. The rungs are in good condition, the rivets are in good condition, there doesn't seem to be any damage on the rungs, so for me they're satisfactory to use. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the locking mechanism. As you can see, it's fully operational, it locks out. It's riveted in place. I've checked the rivets, none of those are broken, so again, satisfactory for me to use. Okay, so we've checked the stiles, the rungs, the locking mechanism. The last thing we're going to check are the feet. And again, to me, they're in good condition. All the bolts and all the nuts are in place, the plastic and rubber pads are on the bottom of them. So again, the feet are satisfactory for me to use. Okay, so once we've done our pre-use check and we're happy that the ladder is in good condition for us to use, we can start to use it. What we need to do though is assess where we're going to use it. So we look at the floor or the ground and make sure it's stable enough so the ladder doesn't fall over when we're on it. We also check above as well, because if we're going to move up the ladder and hit our heads, we may fall off. Okay, so now we're on the ladder. There are some simple things that we need to remember. The ladder's stability is based on the fact that we work in this direction with this ladder. If we decide to turn to the side and work in this direction, the ladder is inherently unstable. So for safety's reasons, let's work this way. If you use this simple safety advice, it will keep you safe. It will mean that you can go home at night to your loved ones. You can contact Sphere Risk Health and Safety Management now on 01733 28 60 70 or email at contact@spherehsn.co.uk.